had the phone call saying there's a prison drama, and that was it. I mean, blood is involved, a lot of sweat is involved, a lot of language is involved. It's pretty intense, but it's great. The actors are just throwing themselves into it.
Ddaeth Kev ddod fewn, y stunt coordinator neu'r fight coordinator. Ddaeth o fewn at yn iawn, so oedd o'n briliant, so si'n rili mwynhau. Mae'r stwff physical i gyd, i fod ti'n stwff chwestiwn. Mae'r adrenalin mynd, achos bod chdi wedi plannu fo, ti dal yn fatha, ti'n cael fewn iddo fo, ti'n rhaid yn nudge iawn i rhywun. Dwi'n adrenalin, dwi'n mwyn am byd.
We get lovely little nugget things that happen, such as props, and we kind of go, oh, so we could use this as well, and let's put this in, and then the whole scene just explodes. This afternoon, we started unarmed. Well, there was a phone hanging right there. So we started using the phone as a weapon. It just totally exploded the whole scene.
I want to see it. What do you mean?
Dio ddim yn apologetic Bariau, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n full on. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n eitha cutting edge i S4C hefyd. Mae'r rhan y Trais sy'n mynd ymlaen yn efo ar hegi.
It's honouring the truth of what happens in prisons.
Mae'n rhaid fo swnio ag edrych fatha be ydyw go iawn. Neu be di pwynt, be di pwynt smalio.
We've been having a lot of bloody fun. Some pretty heavy conversations and then going into some real big smash downs. It's all very organic and the actors are great because they put their own input into it as well.
Kev's solid, really, really solid.
What I love about him is that everyone in Wales seems to have worked with him before. He's such a cool guy.
It's just a really good vibe just working in Wales and being in Wales and working with Welsh talent.